Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site, next door to our partners at Blackpool Cvt. And then over the road, also part of our group, is Blackpool Honda. And we all operate underneath the Cox Motor Group banner, as well as our other sites in Lancaster and Southport. Not a bad day. Sun is out, wind is low, no rain, no ice, we're all good. So just taking the opportunity to take some vehicle videos for you, let you know what we've got on our forecourt, of which both, well, from Automart and Cvt and Honda, we've got plenty of vehicle offers and sale offers available to you. If you visit any of us online under the Cox Motor Group website, you can have a look and peruse our offers that are available. There are quite a few. As you can see, plenty of cars on the forecourt for you to come and have a look at should you choose to. Some of them still defrosting. In the meantime, we've got this excellent 2019 Toyota Auris. It's an XL Hev edition. It's a hybrid, 1.8 petrol hybrid, variable automatic gear shift, 5-door estate in Aspen grey metallic. This particular edition, you get touchscreen and media system, Bluetooth, DAB radio, SATNAV, heated front seats, parking system, reversing camera, cruise control, and the 17-inch alloys as well. But it is a lovely looking car. Just have a look in the boot. So you've got a really good size boot, good depth. You've also got underfloor storage as well. You've got your pull lever switches here on either side to release your back seats. It's a 60-40 split. You've got your parcel shelf there as well. Going into the interior, full leather interior all the way through. You've got your automatic gear shift just there. Evo, Eco mode and power mode. So your driver mode selects. Manual handbrake, 12-volt port, USB and auxiliary port. Heated seat functions are just there as well. You got an electric parking brake also, or rather your park position for your automatic. Aircon, climate control, front and rear window heaters, plus your wing mirror heaters. You got your digital screen in the centre for your centre console, displaying all your apps that are available to you. You've also got your SATNAV and your Bluetooth. Oh, it's going out of focus because of the, there we go. Going over to the cockpit, pretty standard layout. Digital screen in the centre. Left hand wand, indicators, beam settings and auto function for your headlights. Left of the steering wheel, you got your Bluetooth and hands-free functionality and your volume control for your audio. Right hand wand, windscreen wipers and washers. Right under the steering wheel is for your trip computer and your center screen on your dashboard. And just underneath you got your cruise control settings. And then a bit further over, you got your electric wind mirrors and parking assist. And then in the door, you got your central locking and your windows. As you can see, it's a lovely looking car. It's very comfortable to drive. If you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call or better still, pop down and see us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.